Good morning. Now today's topic is to find the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when the conducting slab will introduce between the parallel plate. That means the capacitance of a parallel plate with the conducting slab inside the parallel plate. Now we know that earlier that this is the plate A, positive plate A and negative plate B, and that plate B has earth. So the electric field, external electric field or the electric field between the plate is the E naught, and in between the plate there is the vacuum. That means no medium is there. So on that case, the capacitance between the plate positive one, this is the positive one, this is the negative one. So positive plate and the negative plate, that shows the capacitance, that parallel plate shows the capacitance C naught is equal to A epsilon naught by D. So when vacuum between the parallel plate capacitor, between the parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance is given as C naught is equal to A epsilon naught by D. And now this relation we will take as the first relation when between the plate there is a vacuum or air medium. So on that case the capacitance will be this one. Now in the next we will introduce the conducting slab between the parallel plate, and that is here the conducting slab is here. This is the conducting slab, conductor, and we know the nature of the conductor, that inside the conductor whenever the conductor is placed between the parallel plate where the electric field is E naught, then on that case the charge inside the conductor becomes zero, or we can say that the electric field inside the conductor is zero. So there is no electric field inside the conductor, and all the charges, the free charges, that free charges will move to the surface and that make a surface charge density. So the negative charge will move to the surface along the plate A, and the positive charge will move along the plate B, and the plate B is earthened, so that the positive of the plate B gets neutralized. Here it is earth. Now in this condition the electric field lie only between the or up to the gap where the conducting slab is not present. So the potential will reduce here whenever we put place the conductor in between the plates. We know that the function of the conductor is what here, that is to reduce the potential so that the capacitance will increase. So here also the potential difference, now the potential difference across the plate or the potential difference in a parallel plate capacitor with conducting slab is given as that is potential V is equal to. Now here only the potential lie, that potential lie there in between the gap of plate and the conductor, that is the E naught into D minus T. We know that there is no electric field, so potential is also zero, constant throughout the conductor when placed in an electric field. So on that case the potential becomes the E naught D minus T, or that is E naught D minus T. Now we know that E naught is that since E naught between the plates is the sigma by epsilon naught. The electric field between the two plates or between the plates is the sigma by epsilon naught. So when we put here, and also sigma is equal to Q by area. Now the E naught is equal to Q by A epsilon naught. This becomes the relation number 2 or equation number 2, and this is the equation number 3. Now substituting the equation 3 over the equation 2, substituting the equation in equation 2, we get that is net potential of the plate of a capacitor, that is the Q by A epsilon naught. Here it is D minus T. Now that becomes the equation number 4. Now we will see the capacitance of the parallel plate when the conducting slab introduced in between the plates. So on that case, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor with conducting slab is given as what is this? The potential is here and the capacitance, let C double dash, that is equal to total charge by the potential V. Now this relation becomes the fifth relation or fifth equation. Now again we substitute the potential here. We substituting equation 4 in equation 5. We have the capacitance C double dash is equal to Q by A epsilon naught D minus T. Q by A epsilon naught D minus T. Now here that Q charge will cancel out and A epsilon naught move upward. So C double dash, that is equal to A epsilon naught by, here it is D minus T. And that becomes the capacitance of the parallel plate when the conducting slab is introduced, placed in between the two plates of a capacitor. Here the denominator decreases, obviously the numerator increases. That means here the distance decreases, so the capacitance will increase. Now suppose we consider here, if this conducting slab is filled up to the complete space between the two plates, on that case that T is the thickness of this, T is the thickness of the slab, T is equal to D. And that capacitance becomes C double dash, that is the relation number 6, that capacitance becomes here A epsilon naught by D minus again D, and D minus D is equal to 0, that means A epsilon naught by 0. And we know that 1 by 0 is equal to infinity, since 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. So we can write the capacitance will rise up to infinity. When whole space is covered with the conducting slab, on that case the capacitance, the charge storing ability will increase up to the infinity. That means whenever the charge is provided to this one, it will accept the charges continuously, and the charge accept will be up to the infinity. Now the question arises, how it happened? So for that, how it happened, just see the another figure. The charge get infinite. The capacitance, the ability to store the charge get infinite. On that case, it is the plate, and the whole space of the plate will covered with that of the conducting slab. Now if it is covered with the conducting slab, that means it itself behaves as a conductor. Complete device now it becomes the conductor, and whenever the charge is provided, the charge will continuously move to the earth or get neutralized. That is the earth, and it is the conducting slab. So at that clear condition, the charge is provided and charge will move, that will move to the earth. So it will appear, though they don't have any type of charge, but that appears that it can accept the charge up to infinity. The acceptance becomes the infinity. It is only when the conducting slab covered whole of the space between the two plates A and B. So what we observe here, first of all, that whenever the conducting slab will introduce in between the plate, number one, it will reduce the potential between the plate, and due to the reduce, the capacitance will increase. That capacitance will increase up to infinity when the whole space between the plate is covered with the conducting slab. So these two things we come to know when regarding the introduction of the conducting slab between the plates, between the parallel plates. Now next day we will see the combination of the capacitor, parallel plate capacitor. Thank you.